Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Donovan, and 4 months ago I made a video about the Garmin Vivoactive 3 Music, and in that video I called it the nearly perfect GPS smartwatch for me, and I'm happy to say that not only is it still nearly the perfect GPS smartwatch for me, but it's actually probably the best. And the reason why I say that is because of all the updates that have happened since it was released. So one of them being one that just came out yesterday, and that is it now supports Spotify for music. So up to this point, Garmin has been rolling out Spotify on a number of their watches, like this one right here. This is the Garmin Vivoactive. No, this is the Garmin Fenix 5 Plus. So it's been available on their Plus line on the 645 Music, and now it is available also on the Vivoactive 3 Music. So super awesome. Prior to this, on the Vivoactive 3 Music, you were stuck with iHeartRadio. You could download music directly to the watch, or more recently, they actually added the support for Deezer music, which is similar to Spotify. The problem I had with Deezer, so they came out with a 3-month free subscription to Deezer if you started a new account with the Garmin Vivoactive 3 Music, and so that was cool. Unfortunately, you were limited to 100 songs, so I think I was able to get maybe like 103 songs on there, but with Spotify, I'm able to get a lot more than just than just 100. So we'll talk about that in just a little bit. So before we get into how that actually happens, let me just give you some prerequisites for downloading Spotify onto your Garmin Vivoactive 3 Music. So number one is you want to update the watch software. You need to have version 3.6. So I'll kind of leave some notes down here. So you want to have your watch updated to the most recent software. So that's software 3.6. Number two is you want to have a Wi-Fi connection, because in order to transfer music over to the watch, you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection. And I'm also happy to say that that's also much faster. I've noticed that I downloaded a 264 song playlist in like half an hour, so way faster than what I was able to do before with Deezer, so that's awesome as well. You're going to need a Spotify premium account, so free users can't use the music on their watch. And number four, you're going to want a full battery, because in order to download those 264 songs, I think it ended up burning through 50% of the battery. And normally this watch has spectacular battery life, but during those downloads, it definitely sucks up a lot of battery life. So you'll definitely want to have a full battery when doing that. So first of all, let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is the Spotify app. I can go in here and go into my library. So right now I just have two actual playlists that are downloaded, so you can see between those two I have about 300 songs, and I could add more. There is more space on there. That's just the first two that I downloaded. And then if you want to add anything, super easy. Basically just go in here, you can pick from various playlists that you have on your Spotify premium account. So you can see a number of them that I have here, and just click on it and it starts downloading, so that's really cool. And then if you want, your recently played playlist, made for you, the workout playlist, and then also podcasts. So that's really exciting too, because it's really easy to transfer podcasts over here to the watch as well. So that's really cool. So we'll go back out of here. So I already have, I think this is like the best of rock music playlist. So it got some options here. So we have the music, the song, and everything. And then we click up here, and it's got to be connected. So never mind, we won't do that. But we have shuffle playlist and then replay. And that's pretty much it on here. Obviously, play, track forward, track backward, and this is where we're going to go into our playlist. So really cool. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the actual app. In order to get it, again, you're going to need the most recent version of the watch updated, and then software updated. And then we want to come up here, and of course, you're going to want to download it in the Connect IQ store. So go into the Connect IQ store. Obviously, make sure that you have the right watch connected, because if you're like me, I have two of them. So then we're going to go in here to app type, probably the easiest way to get it. You could just, of course, search for it, but if you go into app type and go to music and more, you can see all the different versions that are available. So we have iHeartRadio, and there it is, Spotify, and I think, yep, down here is Deezer as well. So, of course, we're going to download it. So here it's going to show you the different compatible devices. So up to this point, that Garmin Vivoactive, Forerunner 645 Music, and then the Fenix 5S Plus and 5 X Plus and the 5 Plus all supported as well. And then there is the Vivoactive 3 Music as well. So that's awesome. It's available now. Super cool. And then, of course, you're going to want to download it. And then once you download it, you're going to want to go into your watch. So we're going to go in here to our Garmin devices, and so you want to hit that download and then hit sync. So once you hit that sync, it will go ahead and sync over the app to the watch, and then you'll have the option of choosing between different types of music. So right now, the only music application I have on here is Spotify. I deleted all the music I had already downloaded to it. I deleted Deezer because, well, I didn't want to pay for it anymore. And yeah, so obviously Spotify works a whole lot better. I have already 300 songs, super easy to get those downloaded over. So anyways, if you guys have any questions about how to get the music over to the watch, just let me know in the comments down below. Fantastic watch. I'll leave links down in the description if you're interested in picking up the Garmin Vivoactive 3 Music. I believe right now you can pick it up for $249, but check out the links down below for the most current pricing. So thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I will see you all next one. Peace.